How, boy? We out here walking around Cusco Square. Yes, sir. Cusco Square. Cusco Square. This is cool, man.
In my crib. Happy hour todo el día.
The U.S. has officially conquered a piece of land in Peru.
Yo, we out here doing a little ATVing. Calvin, say what's up. Ride 'em, cowboy. Out here.
This is unreal. Double freaking rainbow! Freaking double rainbow!
Freaking Machu Picchu, bro. 7th wonder of the world. Amazing.
Oh yeah. Super stoked. Yo, so we're now in Ollantaytambo. We're at the Apu Lodge, little garden out here. Bro, it is tranquil. So we're gonna get a little workout in. Got some music, gonna fucking crush it. Yeah, man, it's amazing. Monday morning, around 8 a.m. Woke up, took a little shower. Calvin's working. I want to show you guys a view from this room though. This shit is prestigious. Boom. So yeah, I'm excited to say the least. He works until like 10, and then we're gonna go on a little hike of that mountain, I believe. So right now, we're sitting on this rock, but it's not just any rock. No, it's halfway up the fucking mountain. So we started down there, and we climbed up all this mountain. let's go down. So we made it back to the lodge. Safe and sound. Nothing. Here we are.
We're going to the cataratas, the waterfall Peronic. Name it the Putugu Trail.
Gonna be a lot of hiking. I'll turn the camera on when something dope happens, man. Alright. So then, we're gonna be looking like this and out of breath like this. Alright. But that shit prestigious. So we started at that little town down there. Walked all the way up this trail. Walked all the way to the waterfall. Up to the waterfall. Way up here. Look at this. This little landing. Yeah. And now we're gonna go all the way up here. Probably see the little town up there. Little town. That's beautiful. That's you can see it's not the easiest of hikes, but it's what the trail will be looking like. It's a little bit wider over there. Underground vegetation. The beauty is unparalleled.
We out here, motherfucking my show.
So we found this little cave, just grubbed down, got some good eats, but look at this view. So we've encountered kind of a roadblock. Out here on the side of the mountain, you already know what it is, man. We've been walking onto the mountain and fucking hours, man. About 4 o'clock, man. We've been walking here since 10 o'clock, man. We've been killing this shit, though. No cap. We almost there, man. Yo, say what's up to the fam. Hey, look at the mountain townies, man. Shit. Yo, everyone. We out here. Hour 6, going on 7 of the hike. Gigante Tambo. We made it from the top over there all the way down, and that's pretty damn steep, man. It's a mountain. It's a mountain.
Oh my god, I can't believe that guy was there, bro.
So that's where we were just riding in the pimp mobile, you know, the swagged out, dripped out moto taxi.
I think
Hey everyone, it's Tuesday, or it's Wednesday, 8 a.m. We're about to go horsey riding, so that should be fun.
wag me, baby.
Wag me, baby. Walking down the street.
And with my 6 car. Fucking niggas. Pressure in the car.
So that's the mountain that we were hiking yesterday. If you can see in the distance, that's the little tower that we saw. And then we continued to hike down there. It's pretty steep. And we walked around here. And then we took a little taxi guy to the restaurant and had some fire food. Much needed after that hike. And now, today, we're riding some horsies. So, yeah man, let's get into it, huh? Yo, we out here on the horsies. This is Principe. Look at this beautiful countryside, man. It was more beautiful earlier, but I wasn't so comfortable taking my phone out. I should have been a cowboy. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. But the dogs will. You want anything, buddy? I'm just chilling on you. Up here in Los Montañas.
You know?
Dang it. Made another pit stop up the mountain. This is surreal, man. So that's like where we started. Too. A little bit. It's definitely more than good. Adventures of Colin and So here's another video showing how high up we really are. Clouds are clearing up a little bit on this side. There's another mountain over there. The ponies. Yo, yo, yo. We just had a little picnic on top of the mountain, you know? That's what it is. Here you can see the town. Pretty good. Yep.
Stop recording me, dude.
Okay.
Stop, bro.
Gotta get one last video before we go down because god damn this shit beautiful, boy. Alright. How far would we be? Quarter of the way down? We've been walking down. Horses are here munching. Big munching.
And we're about to start up party. Started now.
Yeah, so we just grubbed down. You ate it all. And then the bill is 33 soles, which I just did the calculations, is about $8.25.
So, if you ever out of money,
Come to Peru. You guys definitely gotta visit Peru.